Hey, yo, where are we?
Street.
Street? Where?
Pigeon bird.
Pigeon bird. We are in Palermo. We are
Oh, I see a
street
minion.
markets. Oh.
I see a minion.
Minions.
I
Been
see a
spotted
minion.
behind me somewhere. I don't. It's somewhere in here.
I'm gonna count all the minions so far as one.
We're in Palermo.
Yeah,
street
we are.
markets.
Yeah, we are.
I bought some shoes and some pants already.
Did you?
Yeah. You got a hat?
I think I did.
Ah, that's very good.
Mozzarella, arancina, spinaci e formaggio o arancina con carne?
Gracias. There we go. So this is basically a rice ball. It has rice in it, prosciutto. This one has mozzarella cheese. It's very good and it's fried. Cheesy. Good. We are here in Sicily, and as you can see before, we had fried foods, but if you can tell right here, I have something that's not Sicilian. It's bubble tea. I am surprised that they have bubble tea here in Sicily, and I'm about to try the strawberry tea. So let's go. Get that poppin' noise. Ready? Yeah, that's how you do it. Got all over me. Do you have a towel? Definitely tastes like milk tea. It is very refreshing. Very good.
See, I'm not gonna say it, but I'm gonna say it. The guy with the accordion, if he started playing Sans Undertale, then I would pay him.
Oh.
But I'm not gonna tell him. If he doesn't.
But he's not.
But he's not. So
He's
I
not.
won't.
So he never will.
That's the criteria. Drink out of my big ass can of water now.
It's the bank. Wow. It's the bank. It's the bank.
I'm thirsty. Can I get a drink, please?
No, you cannot.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking about right now. I only know one uncopyrighted song, which is Happy Birthday. Like, I know the other ones, but like, that one's just in my head right now. If I want to sing a song and don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube, I guess that's what you just sing, right?
It's good. We are full. The bubble tea was very good. And I am very, very full. Gotta cross the street. Lunch menu, ice creams. Ooh.